In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening your Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings instead. Now you can hit Apps section over here, tap on Default Apps, select Home app, click on it on the left, and tap on Launcher Pro in order to apply it. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. Now, in order for this launcher to work, hit Allow All and wait for it to load. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully changed. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always go into Launcher app and adjust whatever you want to. To go back to your default one though, you need to access the same default Home app settings and hit Go Launcher. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!